So I have a fragor. I don't know if I pronounced that right or not, but oops. But it's a barback cooler, 3-door. Do I have any idea what I'm doing? Hell no. I did ask about my situation to a couple different technicians, and I got the same answer from both of them. So about less than a year ago, I had a power surge. This fan got burnt out because of that power surge, so I replaced it. My barback cooler, it's up there. This knob, I used to have it about 4.5 to 5, and it would keep things so cool that like it would almost be just about to ice cool. And then I had the power surge when the fan died, and then I had to keep that knob all the way up as high as it would go, or in retrospect it would be as low as it could go. It would sit right about 38 degrees, as long as the doors weren't being open and closed, open and closed, open and closed. So the couple technicians that I talked to said that these controls, these thermostats, they end up going, it's like one of the things that goes on these coolers. So I figured, what the heck, I'll replace it, see if that changes anything. There really isn't much more to change, I guess. I do see this piece here. I don't know what it's for. It is wired in. It feels like there's a tag on the back side, which once I can pull it out, I'll be able to see if there's a tag back there, and if there is, I'll take numbers down and figure out. I will look it up online to see what it is, see what the purpose of this piece is, or I can talk to a couple different people and see if they'll indulge me any information. I was gonna have a local place take a look at it, but just for them to take a look at this, it would cost me $200. I mean, yes, I want to support somebody that I know, I want to support local, but I don't really have $200 to spend just for them to tell me that they're not sure what the deal is and they can replace some parts or whatever. So I figured for the cost of this, if it's not it, then I got a spare, so on and so forth, and then I go on to the next thing. Anyways, that's that. Okay, so I'm putting it back together. Had it apart. Got the 2 top screws in. I figured out what this is for. This is actually the power supply for the light that runs across the top of this. And yeah. Anyways, I'm putting it back together. I'll have to straighten some of these fins out because it's tight up here. I can barely fit my hand up in here. So, yeah, anyways, I'm getting it back together. I had it all apart. Got this ran back through there, through a hole in a tube, and it runs the back side of this, on the back side of this. So, yeah, pretty simple, but yet hopefully this is the problem, because I would like this to properly cool. I mean, it keeps my stuff cold within safe temperature range, but I'm not comfortable with how close it is to the safe temperature range. I'd like to see this cabinet running on the hottest day about 37 degrees, 38 degrees. not 40 or 39 on the hottest day. I mean, it's within temperature range, but I'm not comfortable with it. So hopefully the new controls does what it's supposed to do and we don't have any other issues. I'm going to finish putting it back together. Thanks for watching.